Imagine a world where you can buy groceries, book a hotel, or even purchase a car, all using Pi Network. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's already happening. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can use your Pi coins to buy real products and services, where to find businesses accepting Pi, and what the future holds for Pi transactions. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spend your Pi. Make sure to subscribe for more Pi Network updates, and let's dive in. 1. What is Pi Network and why does it matter? Pi Network is a cryptocurrency that allows users to mine coins using just their smartphones. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which require powerful mining rigs, Pi can be earned by simply tapping a button daily. Key features of Pi Network: no expensive mining equipment needed, decentralized and community-driven, has millions of active users worldwide, already being used for real transactions in Pi marketplaces. But the big question is, can you actually use Pi to buy things? The answer is yes, and I'll show you how. 2. Where can you spend Pi Network? Right now, Pi is not officially listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, but that hasn't stopped businesses from accepting it. Many online and physical stores are already trading goods and services in exchange for Pi. Here are some of the best places to spend your Pi. Pi Network marketplaces, websites and apps where users trade goods using Pi. Some popular ones include PiChainMall, a growing e-commerce platform where users can buy electronics, clothing, and more with Pi. PiHub Market, another online store featuring various items for sale in Pi. Social media groups. Many Pi users trade on Facebook, Telegram, and Discord groups. Simply search for Pi Marketplace and join trusted communities. Local businesses. In countries like China, Nigeria, and Vietnam, some physical stores accept Pi for real transactions. Would you like me to make a separate video listing the top marketplaces? Let me know in comments. 3. What can you buy with Pi coins? You can use Pi to buy white heavy checkmark smartphones and laptops, white heavy checkmark clothes and accessories, white heavy checkmark cars and motorbikes. Some dealerships accept Pi. White heavy checkmark hotel and travel bookings, white heavy checkmark digital products, ebooks, courses, online services. The list keeps growing as more businesses recognize Pi Network as a means of payment. 4. How to make a purchase using Pi Coin. If you're wondering how to actually use your Pi to buy something, here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Find a trusted seller. Browse PiChainMall, Telegram groups, or local Pi marketplaces. 2. Negotiate the price. Some sellers might price items in USD and convert it to Pi based on an agreed exchange rate. 3. Send payment through the Pi wallet. Open your Pi Network app, go to your wallet, and send the required amount to the seller. 4. Confirm delivery. Only send Pi after confirming that the seller is genuine. Warning: be careful of scams. Only buy from trusted sellers and use escrow services if possible. 5. The future of Pi Network payments. Right now, Pi is mainly used in peer-to-peer transactions, but in the future, it could be integrated into mainstream businesses. Upcoming developments. More merchants accepting Pi. As Pi's value stabilizes, big brands could start accepting it. Integration with e-commerce platforms. Imagine shopping on Amazon or Alibaba using Pi. Official exchange listings. Once Pi goes live on Binance or Coinbase, its usability will skyrocket. Would you use Pi to shop if major stores accepted it? Let me know in the comments. Final thoughts and call to action. Pi Network is not just a mining app. It's a revolution in digital payments. Right now, early adopters are already using Pi to buy and sell goods. And this is just the beginning. If you want to stay updated on the latest Pi Network news, tutorials, and strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Question for viewers: have you ever bought anything with Pi? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Pi Network content.